Hey my loves, wagwan wagwan, it's your girl Shanice. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell before you go so you don't miss out on any of these amazing recipes. Now, as you guys can see in this video, we will be making some quick and delicious orange chicken. Who doesn't love orange chicken? So this recipe is just a simple one. It's not an orange chicken with, all the extraness. It's just quick, simple, and easy to make. So let's jump right into the recipe. So here I have 2 large chicken breasts that I thinly sliced into around 1 inch or around 1.5 inch strips. However, you could cut your chicken however you like. And of course, I cleaned and washed my chicken off camera. Now I'm just going to add my seasonings. I added a tablespoon of Chinese 5 spice, a tablespoon of black pepper, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and an egg. I'm keeping the seasonings simple. Of course, you can season with whatever seasonings you prefer. I went ahead and I mixed all that in, and then I set it to the side, to marinate for a little bit. To a large bowl, I added a cup of all-purpose flour followed by a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. If you want your chicken to be a little bit more crispy, of course, you can adjust the cornstarch. I added a pinch of salt to my flour mixture as well. Of course, you can season your flour mixture however you like, but like I said, I'm keeping this one simple. So now I'm just going to add my chicken pieces and coat it in the flour. You want to ensure that it's properly coated, but you also want to shake the excess flour off before adding it to your oil. I have 2 cups of vegetable oil, hot and ready to go. You want to ensure that you're using a high smoking point cooking oil to cook your chicken. This is how you're going to get beautifully cooked chicken. So I'm just carefully adding my chicken pieces individually. I'm going to cook it for around 3 to 4 minutes. Or until it's golden brown. I will be doing 2 batches because I don't want to overcrowd my pot. Your chicken will start to steam when you overcrowd your pot, and you're just not going to have beautifully fried chicken. So once my chicken pieces are finished cooking, I'm just going to set this first batch on a rack, to drain the excess oil off while I cook the second batch. And as with all my videos, I will leave the link down below, which will take you to my website with the recipe. While all my chicken pieces are draining, we're going to go ahead and work on our orange sauce. And this is for sure the star of the show. So I'm going to go ahead and juice some oranges. I used 5 large oranges, and that gave me a cup of orange juice. You could use already made orange juice if you like, but the fresher, the better. I'm going to go ahead and add a cup of white sugar to that, followed by 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. I'm also going to go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, some minced ginger, and I'm using fresh ginger, I'd say around a 1/2 teaspoon. And I'm also going to add a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes to that. We're going to mix that all in. And then I'm just going to add that to my skillet. I'm going to bring it to a boil slowly. Then I'm going to go ahead and lower my flame and just allow it to simmer for a little bit. Allow all the flavors to come together. Of course, you could add some seasoning to your sauce if you like, but I trust that my chicken was seasoned well, and I don't want it to be too salty. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of cornstarch slurry to my sauce. And if you don't know, cornstarch slurry is basically a combination of cornstarch with some cold water. It's normally a ratio of 1 to 2 cornstarch to water. So that's what I did. I used a tablespoon of cornstarch to 2 tablespoons of cold water, and I slowly added that in while mixing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken to that and mix it all in. I'm doing this on a low flame because I don't want my sauce to reduce too much, and also we don't really want to continue cooking the chicken for a long time. You want to ensure that all your chicken pieces gets coated in this beautiful sauce. This is smelling so delicious, guys, and this sauce is amazing. The ginger gives it that extra flavor, If you love Chinese food, then you have to try this recipe. It is really delicious. I served mine over some white rice. Quick and delicious dinner under 30 minutes. Everyone will enjoy it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed so you don't miss out on any of these amazing recipes. Also hit that bell so you'll be notified as soon as I post a video. Also, the link to my website will be down below in the description box. Go ahead and check out the free recipes, subscribe to our newsletter, grab your cookbook if you haven't gotten yours as yet. For $4.99, 10 classic Jamaican recipes that you should be cooking at home. You guys walk good, stay safe. Until next time.